Hello and welcome to this channel. Let's make this fried rice together. So I have eggs, spring onions, green bell pepper, carrots, onions, garlic powder, maggi cube, black pepper powder, salt, cooked liver that has been chopped. I have my cooked rice and I used abana rice. So this is it. I also have ginger powder and dark soy sauce. So let's begin. In my saucepan, I'm adding some vegetable oil and I'll add my cooked liver so that it will get fried. After some few minutes it's fried well, and then I'll quickly add my chopped onions into the liver. I'll add my carrots and I'll stir it for a while. This fried rice is so delicious that when you make it for the first time, you are going to make it again and again. So I've just added black pepper, ginger powder, seasoning cube, some salt, and I'll stir to mix everything together. So just follow what I am doing and your fried rice is going to come out very delicious. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box below. So now after 2 minutes, I'm just going to add my green bell pepper and I'll stir for additional 2 minutes. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that others can also benefit. So after this additional 2 minutes, I'm just going to set this aside and then make my scrambled eggs. So I've added some little oil and I'm gently dropping in my 4 eggs so that I can make my scrambled eggs. So you have to be very careful so that you get the scrambled eggs that will make your fried rice look so great. So you can see what I am doing. Just follow it and you get the best results. So now with my rice, I use the liver stock, the cooked liver stock, to boil my rice or to cook my rice. So to the scrambled eggs, I've just added some dark soy sauce and I've just given it a quick stir. You can see the color has changed to golden brown. So now at this point, I'm just going to add my rice and keep on stirring. I prepared it in the night and this morning I'm just making my fried rice. My kids are vacating today, and in Ghana on vacation day, you have to cook delicious meals so that the kids can send it to school. So that is what I am doing. So I had to cook the rice in the night because this early morning I'll be going to work, which I wouldn't have been able to do all this before I leave. So now I'm adding additional dark soy sauce so that I'll get the desired color that I want my fried rice to have. You may choose to make your own very light. So because the rice stayed overnight, you could see it's attached to each other, but gradually I'm separating it. But if you have the time, you can just cook it in the morning, let it cool down a bit, then you can make your fried rice. So with the liver, I use turmeric powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, seasoning cube, that is the maggi, and my onions to cook it. So I will be listing what I use to season my liver in the description box below. And after cooking it, I use the stock to cook my rice. So remember, I set this aside, so that is what I have just added. And you can see the rice is getting separated gradually. This fried rice is so delicious, super yummy, that you will love it. So quickly, the spring onions is the last ingredient I have added, and the aroma is unbelievable. I know when you try it, your kids or your family will enjoy it and even request for more of this tastiest fried rice ever. I know the kids will be happy this morning because their fried rice tastes great. So I'm also going to enjoy a bit of it, and the rest they will send it for their vacation at school. This is so nice. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time on this channel. Bye.